Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. As you can see, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. What other terms can I use? I don't know, but I'm so excited, guys. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the shares. Thank you for every single like, every single comment, guys. I really appreciate it. And we are almost 50 subscribers, guys. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to still share, please still like, please still comment, please still subscribe to my channel. If you are seeing me for the first time, thank you so much for stopping by. You are highly welcome to the family. I'm Esinam, as you already know. For those who don't know, I'm Esinam. And to my old subscribers, you know how we roll. Thank you so much for coming back. So today I have a very exciting video for you guys. It's not only exciting, but it's very educative too. It's very eye-opening. So without much further ado, let's get into this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the steps of applying to German universities. Yes, some of these requirements and things has been revised, so I'm bringing to you an updated version of the steps to take applying to universities here in Germany. So without much further ado, let's get into this video. So as we all know, aside US, UK and Canada, Germany is also one of the countries that has a very large number of international students. Yes, people from all walks of life, from Asia, from Europe, other countries in Europe, I mean, from America, from anywhere in the world, people like to study here in Germany. And there are a lot of advantages. There are a wide variety of courses for you to choose from. So if you are interested, please don't forget to bring your book, your pen, and everything, because this video is going to get interesting over the time. Yes, so I've grouped these into steps. Yeah, so we are going to take it step by step. But before I go into the steps, let's look at the advantages of studying here in Germany. Yeah, so there are a lot of opportunities here in Germany, guys. There are a lot of opportunities. For the purposes of this video, I'm going to dwell on bachelor's degree applicants. So anybody who is applying for a bachelor's degree, this is the video for you. In my subsequent videos, I'll be tackling master's applicants and then PhD applicants. The first advantage of studying here in Germany is that, one, there are a lot of job opportunities after school. I have a lot of friends here that during their course in the university, they did attachments over the vacation period, over the summer holidays, how others were chilling. They were doing internships with some companies, and there are a lot of them that after school, these companies retain them as permanent workers. Yes. The second point I would like to go in is some of the schools are tuition free. Studying for a whole 4 years without having to pay a dime. Can you imagine, guys? You won't pay anything. The only thing you are going to pay is semester contribution. Yeah, there are a lot of universities that offers those options. Yeah, that is one advantage of studying here. You are able to get up to 18 months of residence permit. Yes, you are given the opportunity to look for a job up to 18 months after school. And there are a lot of people that don't even get to that 1 year, 8 months. I mean, within 2, 3, 4 months, at top 5 months. I know a lot of people that they normally want to rest after school because they feel they've been through stress and all that, so they feel they want to rest and then, yeah, before looking for a job. And other people are there that they also just look for a job straight away. So it's not as if after school you are just required to just pack your bag and baggage and then off you go. No, it's not like that as compared to in the UK. I know you are giving up to the time of your study, then after that, if you don't have a job, and then off you go. But here in Germany, no, it's not like that. You have all these months to look for a job and to be able to earn money. And then there are a lot of people that through these jobs they end up getting their permanent residence permit. Those are the advantages of studying here in Germany. So let's get into the steps. The first step you have to do is to do your research and look for the school. Please do your research. As I already said, some are tuition free, and then some of the universities are there that you are required to pay tuition fees. So please just do your research and then choose the courses you want to study. There are a wide range of courses, from health courses to engineering to whatever course you can think of, to fine arts, to dance. And aside the government universities, they have other private universities too. So there are a wide range of options for you to choose from. So just relax, do your research, and then look for the uni you have. As you know, you have to put down your point, whether you want tuition free or you want to pay, whether you want a private or a public university, in which state you also want to study. And then yeah, it depends on you. But the first point is just do your research and then choose the uni you wish to apply. You would have to assemble all the entry requirements. Yes, there are certain entry requirements that are very basic, like your senior high school leaving certificates, your passports, your transcripts, and all those things. They are basic requirements. You would want to get them ready for any course you are going to study. Yeah, so just make sure all those requirements are set, and then you move to the next stage, financial requirements. As you've already chosen your school, chosen what you want to do, and then put your documents in place, the third thing you want to think about is your financial status. Yes, for an international student to be able to study here in Germany 2020 this year, you would have to get a minimum of 10,000 euros in your block account. I'll go further into funding to be able to study in German universities. There's a wide range of options, so I wouldn't really go into details in this video because there are a lot and it's very long. Actually, if I want to dive into it, then it will really prolong this video and we won't be able to really dive into it. So for the purposes of time, I'll shoot a separate video on funding for German universities, so please don't forget to check it out. Yes, so let's move to the next stage. We're already here at the point of admission. Yes, so you have chosen your university of choice, you've checked all your entry requirements, you've checked your financial status. Now you are applying for the admission to the university now. Okay, for the application, there's a portal called UNIASSIST. I bet a lot of you didn't know that. This UNIASSIST, almost all the universities, actually, there are some that are still not affiliated to UNIASSIST, but most of these universities have used this UNIASSIST as a front. So with this UNIASSIST, you gather your certificates and then you log on into this portal. For this portal, this UNIASSIST, you first create an account. It's basically easy. You just need an email, what's not, you know, these standard procedure. You first create an account and then you load all your documents onto the site. So on this site, you choose the university you are applying to and then the preferred course you are going to study, the preferred course you would want to study. So when you choose your university and the preferred course you are going to study, the university will give you an extra requirement for studying this course. You know, there's a general requirement and then there's another extra requirement for studying this course. It's not really anything new or anything different. It's just like somebody who is going to study arts will need a separate requirement from somebody who is going to study, for instance, nursing. For arts, probably they might say bring your portfolio, a portfolio where you've drawn or you've had samples of the works you've done. Whereas somebody like a nurse, they don't really need a portfolio. I don't know what they are going to need a portfolio for, actually. So they don't really need any portfolio. That's what I'm basically trying to say. Yeah, so you need your extra requirements and then you look at it and then you get them ready and then you upload them onto their site. So when you upload them onto their site, they go through all your documents, and then with these documents they'll be able to tell you if you are eligible to apply for this course. Yes, so when you're eligible to apply for this course, then it's like the UNIASSIST has given you a go ahead. From there, you apply for the course you want. You are given the opportunity to apply up to 3 different courses. It doesn't matter which university you are going to apply to. Once you've been able to go through this UNIASSIST process, it means you are eligible to apply for these courses. Yes. So you don't have to translate your documents into German or anything. You just have to bring them just as they are but legalize those documents. Yes, there's something called legalization of those documents. Those documents that you legalize are basically just to say that they are original copies and they have not been faked. Do you get what I'm trying to say? Yes, don't forget to legalize them. After applying to UNIASSIST, all we do is to sit down, cross our hands, cross our legs, pray, and wait. All we have to do is just to sit down and wait. So let's take it for instance, you've applied and then you are waiting. Then they will send you your admission letter. When you get your admission letter, that is the prompt to move on to the next step. That is your key to move on to the next step. When you are not sent the admission letter, please don't give up. I would advise you to write an email to check on what is going on, or to call the school directly to be able to see what is going on. Probably there might be a mix-up, or probably there might be a mistake in your application form or anything. So don't give up. It's not like, oh, they didn't send me, so I'm just sitting down to wait. I'm not accepting that. No. So please check up on it and check up on your admission and know what is going on. Yes. Then for those that are giving the admission, this is a prompt to move on to the next point. So yes, when you get your visa and you buy your ticket and you get here, don't forget, once you get here, the first thing is accommodation. Yes, accommodation. So a lot of the universities provide on-campus accommodations, so you wouldn't have to go into town to look for houses or homes, or no. A lot of the universities have those options. So these options that are given to you by the university, most of the time they are very affordable, and you can move on to register for your address. Yeah. You go to an office where you're supposed to register that this is where I live, this is my address. So any letter I'm going to receive in this country can pass through that address. Basically, that is what it means. So you register for your address, and once you have your address, you can move on to go to the Ausländer Behörde. And then this Ausländer Behörde is like an office for foreigners, whether you are a student or once you are not a German and you're a foreigner, this is the office for you. So you go there and then you receive your residence permit. You register, fill out your forms, submit it, and then you get your residence permit from that office. After getting your residence permit, the next step you have to do is to go and register for your health insurance. Yes, once you register for your health insurance, I think those are basically the most important things to do once you arrive. And then after that, you enjoy your stay in Germany. You study, you make. You see, with these simple steps, it's not really that difficult to apply to German universities. The only thing you have to do is just follow these steps and follow these guidelines I've pointed out in this video, and then you are good to go. I hope this video was very helpful to someone. I hope it was very educative to someone. There are a lot of people out there who need this information, guys. So please don't forget, as I've already said, please spread the word. Please share this video. And if you really enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Please don't forget to like this video. If there's any question, please don't hesitate to write it in the comments, and I'll be glad to answer you. You can find me on Instagram at she's_esinam. You can slide into my DM there and ask me any question or any video suggestions, and I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for sticking with me till now. I hope you found this video interesting and helpful. And if you really did, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, please comment, please share. And then until my next video, it's bye.